Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back on my channel. Guys, before I start to show you guys what's in this bag over here, and please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so notify every time I upload a new video. So guys, this one actually I just visited LV. I just passing by and said, you know what, let me check something. And I saw this one, their 100-year anniversary of Louis Vuitton, and I talked to my SA and really convinced me that I need to have this at least one smaller the goods just to, to part of their 100 years collections. And in everything is very nice in there, guys. It's so, I love the way that they made the 100-year collection. And that day there's so many people, and then she told me like mostly they don't have much stock. And so I'm glad to get this one. I was debating, actually there's three colors. There was blue, pink, and light beige, or a white light beige, something like that. Anyhow, I was debating these three, and then I wanted that. The blue one it's kind of off, and so I'm wearing the two colors now. It was the pink and the beige one. And also when I'm there, I'm also trying the perfume. I said to myself that I'm not getting any perfume from LV because I have so many of it, that some of it that I don't use that much. But this one is a unisex. I asked my SA if I want something unisex so I can give this to my husband. So she showed it to me. This is the one of the unisex perfume. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started with the perfume. What I get, there's two items in here. This other one, like I said, is a small leather good, and this is the perfume. So the perfume that I got is this Eyes collection, and I smell so good. And then it does, she said, it's like you can use man and woman in this scent. And look at this. I think this is I'm not sure this is their newest collections of perfume. And this one is refillable too, which is really nice that they do that now. Oh, I love the scents, guys. It's so, I don't like too much like strong scent. I want something like a sweet light scent, and yeah, that's what I normally prefer it. And also I asked for an initial, and I put my husband initial in there, MJ. And I was thinking about, like, write something in it, but I'm not sure if they have extra money for that when you write the whole thing. So I was going over here, but this is like a really nice gift for your husband. Also, you can use as well because this is a unisex. Guys, this is a unisex. Let's see. Smells so good. I love it. Guys, if you can smell it, it really smells good. And I like that it comes with this. Always love the packaging of the perfume of LV. And I just display there on my makeup desk. So let's move on to the second item that I purchased. So this is the receipt for me. I'm gonna keep all these receipts. It's probably from that. And let's do this. Oh my god, guys, I keep saying I get so many card holder, but here I am, I keep buying it. Oh, it is. I'll show you guys what color did I get. And of course I get the beige color because it's very classic and unique. And let's see this. This is the Pushy Glaze PM. So she give me all that stuff. And I do have, oh, this material, by the way, is so soft. See that? It's different than the Monogram, to be honest with you guys. And so I actually did not check this close up, and because like I said, there's so many people, I'm hoping that there's not damage at all. And so one, I do have the other one, like the Monogram of this. And the one thing I love about this is because they're new. If you can see, guys, they have a LV. Let me see if you can tap that one. See that they have LV on the end of a zipper. So I actually asked her, like, are you guys putting an LV the end of your zipper of your bag now somewhere? And she looked up and said, no, it's just like this is different. So I don't know if you guys, there is, guys, it's just hard to see because the light is reflect, it's not focusing. As you can see, I can see a little bit blurred up. So yeah, and like I said, it's very soft. And also the inside of it, and it says over here, uh creating, what is it, what, creating 130 years of Monogram, or 30 years of Monogram, something like that. And then this one is made in Italy, and it has, as you can see, guys, let me see. Oh man, it's really hard to see. So see that? And they also have like a Louis Vuitton, like a signature Louis Vuitton from the owner probably. And it's a Louis Vuitton Paris, um, creating a 130 years probably of Monogram. So it's so cute that they put that one. So that's why I said, you know what, let me get this from 130 years from Monogram. So I just loving it. And also it has, they have a name over here, like it said Louis Vuitton. So I can see, so there's one back to back, and let's see what it really says. Yes, just only like Louis Vuitton, yeah, Louis Vuitton, and then something hard at the end. It's really hard because I get the white beige color and it's really blend in. And so I have another key pouch again to you. I don't even use my other one, so I'm just having this to collect, and it's part of their collections. I just, to be honest with you guys, the blue one actually, it's like, it's not even, I'm not sure, is that maybe the way it's you know, they made it. And yeah, and they also have like a dark pink. I wanting the blue one because I want something colorful on my small leather goods. But this is the one, it's actually better than the two. So that's why I said, let me just get this one. And besides, you can't go wrong with this. It's so cute, guys. So yeah, anyhow, I'm just putting back all together over here. So anyway, guys, that's it for my unboxing today. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.